نبدأ بقى. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today's topic is replacement analysis. Do you know what the meaning of replacement analysis? From the words, from the same words. We don't need much talk about replacement, but usually we do replacement because of three reasons. The first reason is reduced performance. You have machine, and this machine has a very bad performance. It is depreciated with time, so you need to think whether to keep it or replace it. The altered requirements. Sometimes you have a machine, but there is no longer need for this machine because the product it makes is no longer used, so it's outdated. So sometimes you need to replace based on the requirements of the market. The third one is obsolescence. The obsolescence means it alters requirement some way. It is required, but it is not much required. But if it is obsolete, no need for it anymore. The technology has been changed for so long, so you need to think in replacement. Especially in your mobile phones. Your mobile phones has this. You always do this. In your mobile phone, you do your own replacement study based on your own requirements. Okay, so we have some terminologies we need to understand before we study a replacement analysis. First, we need to know there are two different points. The first point is defender, or the first they are alternatives. Let's say they are alternatives, but these alternatives has two names. The first alternative is called defender, and the other is called a challenger. The challenger and the defender, they are mutually exclusive events. We cannot select them both. We just select only one alternative. So if we have two alternatives, one is defender and the other is challenger. So what is the defender? The defender is the working asset. I have the defender, is already working right now. I use it. It is in my pocket like the phone. This is my home like the blender. It is in my factory like a sewing machine. All these are defenders. I have it. I already have it. It is working right now. But there are some changes, like I said, the three previous points. We need to study the replacement possibility. So the possibility is to replace the defender. Okay, it's not definer, it's defender. This word is defender. This word is defender. Okay, the defender, we study whether we replace the defender or we change it with something, we call it challenger. It's a matter of a challenge. I challenge the defender whether I keep it or replace it with a new machine based on the 3 points the previous 3 points. So this is a potential replacement. So to do the replacement analysis, I need to know some other terminologies, such as the market value. You understand? I have the mobile phone. Once, the market is the market. It doesn't change so much. Once you buy a new car, once you buy it, you have a contract to it, you lose some money if you want to sell it right now. This is the market value. The market value, because I buy it, before I buy it, it has a value. 1 year later, it has a different value. 2 years later, it has a different value. Okay, so we call it market value. So it's a current value of the installed asset if it were sold or traded on the open market. So every day, every single period, we have a market value for the asset I have. Okay, that I have. Okay. The third topic is, or the third terminology is economic service life. What I need. Okay, so this is which gives, sometimes it has a service life, but the this is the service life which gives annual worth or annual worth, the lowest annual cost